Making good iced coffee at home quickly is nearly impossible. Until now, we've been stuck with two main options. You either have a cold brew recipe that actually takes all day to make, or you can try a brew over rice recipe that is so complex you'd think it was written by a chemist. I tried them both, and I went back to spending my time and money every day at the coffee shop. That was until I came up with a better solution. The HyperChiller is a simple, patented product that enables you to turn your fresh, hot coffee into perfect iced coffee in as little as 1 minute. The HyperChiller is designed to be compatible with most full-size single-cup brewers and all traditional brewing methods as well. The coffee flows through the lid into the center cooling chamber where it gets surrounded by ice on all sides but is protected from any dilution with 2 layers of food-grade stainless steel. Once inside, the surface area to volume ratio in there is through the roof, so it gets chilled by up to 130 degrees plus in just 60 seconds. At that point, it'll be cold enough to pour into your regular glass over ice and it will still be strong. Or you can leave it in there a little bit longer and it will be cold enough to drink without any ice at all. Convenience was a big driver when creating the HyperChiller. It's completely machine washable and all the components are made of durable food-grade stainless steel and BPA-free plastic. For those of you who like a big cup, the product can chill up to 12.5 ounces at once and be used 2 times before it needs to be refrozen. Start saving time and money and enjoy perfect iced coffee at home today.
Mr. Coffee Iced Coffee Maker. The Mr. Coffee Iced Coffee Maker lets you enjoy delicious, refreshing iced coffee at home or on the go. The simple measuring system makes it easy to brew the perfect ratio of hot, concentrated coffee over a full tumbler of ice. Just add water and coffee grounds to the machine, fill the tumbler with ice, then press start. It's that simple. The drip stop function prevents mess on your counter. You'll always have perfect iced coffee to help you conquer the day.
Hi, my name is Jasara, and today I'm going to explain to you cold brew coffee with Bodum Bean Iced Coffee Maker. Cold brew is different than iced coffee. It's less bitter and has no acidity. It will let those flavor notes shine through. The idea is simple. All you need to do is mix your ground coffee with cold water and let it sit in the refrigerator for 6 to 12 hours. This stay tight lid will seal in the aroma. It's up to you if you want to brew a regular strength or double up to make concentrate. I double up because I like to serve with lots of ice. Remove your coffee maker from the refrigerator, take off the lid, and press. I promise you, once you try cold brew coffee, you'll cringe at the idea of having hot coffee on ice. Get your bean iced coffee here and try it for yourself.